Jeff came back over. We're gonna put the rear spring plates on. Gonna take the factory one off. I got a Type E Motorsports. We're gonna stick it on. That's the plan for today. Jeff's taking off the spring plate. What is that? Bracket, cup, housing. I already loosened all the rear, so we should just be able to pop that off. 15 minutes. Jeff pulled the bolts out. Pop this off here. Cool. Then I'm going to clean all this undercoating off. I feel like these are huge. But they get all smashed on it.
Yeah. One thing.
They're all the same, right? Inner and outer? Yeah.
They're not just sometimes smooth on the inside.
Yep. Did it go past? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, it's probably never been removed. Is it even coming loose from the outer spline?
It's moved a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bungeed up the rear axle. Perfect. Easy. Couple hammer whacks. And I'm gonna clean the rest of this off. I'm gonna wire wheel it and then paint it a little bit. Got it wire wheeled, and I just sprayed some wax and grease on here. I'm cleaning it off, and then I will put a little paint on it. This is the driver side. Jeff took this off while I cleaned the other side off. So I'll let that dry for a minute, and then I'll squirt a little paint on it. Cleaned off the goo off the spring plate cover there. I'm going to paint it. Here's where we're at right now. We got to push this on. Need to whack it with a hammer though. So I'm going to pull the fenders off both sides, which means we got to take the bumper off. That's our next step. Got all the bolts out except these two. This one, the stud pulled out of the body, so I'm gonna cut that off, and then I'm gonna try to take that one out after. We'll see if that one will need cut off too. Hopefully not. It just is super tight right now. When I'm turning it, I have a feeling it's either gonna break off or the stud that's welded to the body is about to go. So I'm gonna cut that one off first, so it's this one's still holding it up. Yeah, cut that off, and then yeah, I was just gonna finish scraping this. Yeah, the one more in the back. Yeah. Yeah. Here, Jeff and I were both removing the fender bolts to get the fenders off. Remember where you put the other side?
Yeah.
Got the rubber hammer. Remember we had to pull up on it and romp it?
Try lifting a little bit.
Okay. You want me to put this in? Yeah. That makes it go. Hold on, let me get it. All right. Got it hammered on. Had to lift a little here while Jeff hammered it. That line it up.
Sort of.
Perfect. Yeah, I think that it was like hitting that back wall there, dude.
A lot tighter.
Yeah. We got the rear spring plates on. We're gonna lower it down onto the rear tires and then figure out the front. See what it looks like on the ground.
We're pulling back on the car or no?
No, you're good. Yeah, you're good. It's too low?
Yeah.
The jack's gonna get, oh, the actual jack's gonna be stuck?
Yeah. We got a lot of the front.
Okay. Do you want me to just lift it up? Nope. Not like I was. Nope. Okay, I got this jack. Baby jack. Baby jack.
Where do you have some boards you can put under the tires? I got some in the back of the truck. See that?
Okay.
I'm gonna go up.
Yep. So you're gonna put it on the tires and then we'll pull the jack out. And then maybe we can just put the jack in the front. Okay. Pause for a moment. All right, Jeff grabbed some wood. We're gonna put under the tires. Hopefully keep it up in the air a little bit higher.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Whoa. 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 that. Hold on. You want me to lift it, Jeff?
Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know what I'm going to lift it on.
You grab that apron.
Ready? Fingers. Oh. Go. Okay. Okay. Now maybe bring the jack to the front and then okay. And then what? Just
Oh, careful, we're on the floor.
yeah. Might need a piece of wood. My one chunk of wood. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna have to go over here. Okay. We made it. I think that's the. Let's see how low it is.
I think you're right, man.
Okay. Look at the back, dude. I think it's tucking. There's a fender.
Blocks too.
Oh yeah. So it'll be. Oh, there goes that block. Think so.
About right.
It's about right. I think we need to go up.
We can see what we get out of the dresser.
Yeah. All right, we got it on the ground. It's pretty low. Should be perfect. I put my creeper underneath here. It's real safe. I should have videoed us doing it, but we didn't. Rear cambers quite a bit. But yeah, it's definitely low. Good height. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room under there. Here's the aftermath of what we did. Started putting some of the parts on finally that I had piled up over here for a while. Got both rear fenders off because we had to hammer on the spring plate, and it was just way easier just to do it with the fenders off. So we pulled those off, the bumper off, and so now those are off. I wasn't planning on doing that, but it needed to be done eventually. So got the spring plate in, mocked up. We'll probably need to do a little bit more adjusting, maybe a spline or two, but at least it's all on there. And this side, quick. That is what we did today. I started taking this fender off as well. I need to pull the headlight wiring off, but I need to pull the horn wire out, blah, blah, blah. So, but while Jeff came over, I stopped all that front end stuff that I was going to do, and we just worked on the rear suspension. So that is it. I'm going to clean up this mess, probably slide the fenders and bumpers and everything, hopefully just kind of slide them under there temporarily. I'm gonna call it a day.